Hello guys, my name is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you how to use the park feature for the windshield wipers. This option is available for certain Hyundai models. Specifically right now I am in a Kona, so let me show you how to use this feature. With this feature you can put your windshield wipers in vertical position, so in case a snowstorm or you want to clean the wipers or you want to make a service, you need to use this feature. How to do that? First of all, right now I am with the car on. I am going to turn off the car and then immediately put down the windshield wiper feature down for 3 seconds, and then as you see you have the front windshield wipers in vertical position. So in this position you can, as I mentioned to you, in case of a snowstorm or you want to clean the wipers or you want to service, you can work with that. In case of put in the horizontal position or normal position, you just turn on the car and then put down this for 1 second, and that's it. As you see, it's very easy and you can use this feature. All right, so if you have questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.